This is a Ford F600 tow truck. It's a 1965. It's for sale for $3,800 in Upland, California. It's functional. We're going to pick up a motorhome with it. It runs good. You have a light bar up on top. It's got a Holmes 600 twin boom wrecker mast and body, and this is a very good deal for the money. Okay, okay. The winches and the wrecker work just fine. Now we're going to tow it. Rich, got a standard transmission with a 2-speed axle, right? Standard transmission with a 2-speed axle?
Got a 4-speed with a 2-speed axle.
Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's move it. Let's drive it out a little bit and move it, show that everything works, and then we'll take some still pictures. Okay, we're going to drive and pull this thing forward. Unbelievable. For $3,800 you got something here that'll haul a motor home. This is great for a guy that wants to go into business hauling cars. Okay, Rich. It has a 4-speed manual transmission with 2-speed axle, and it'll pick up quite a bit. You're not going to find a better deal for the money.